Welcome back to the Hairloss dating game. It's time to meet our lovely lady, and here she is. Oh boy. This groovy bachelorette is a dancer and a real pussycat. She enjoys NBA basketball and is looking for a guy with great hair. Please welcome Utah jazz dancer, Chanel. Oh yeah, baby. Meow. Meow. Now let's meet our bachelors. All three bachelors were losing their hair and their self-confidence. Bachelor number one went with the comb over to fix his hair loss. He lives at home, enjoys World of Warcraft and long talks with his mom. Say hello to Chanel, bachelor number one. Bachelor number two went with the shave. He's from the point of the mountain. He enjoys the color orange, work release, and walking barefoot through the yard. Say hello, bachelor number two. Bachelor number three went to Utah Hair Restoration, where they specialize in single hair transplant surgery. He lives in a cave, enjoys the woods, and climbing trees. Say hello, bachelor number three. Good luck, everyone, and here we go!
Bachelor number one. I'm really into my guy's hair. If you could have anyone's hair, whose would it be, and why?
That Han Solo has great hair.
Okay. Bachelor number two. Same question.
Who needs hair? Bald is beautiful.
Same question, bachelor number three. Ooh. Okay, bachelors. As I mentioned, I'm really into my guy's hair. Can I feel your hair? Ooh, this one's just right.
So who's it going to be, and why?
Definitely bachelor number three. His thick hair made it an easy choice.
It's bachelor number three!